An empire, a collapse, a revolution, a rebirth. Here's how it all happened. The Chinese Empire was established in 221 BC through the unification of 7 warring states. Under the imperial rule for more than 2000 years, the empire steadily expanded in size and became perhaps the wealthiest and most advanced civilization in the world. This began to change in the 19th century with the internal conflict, famine, and foreign intervention weakened the country, leading to the removal of the emperor and the formation of republic in 1912. Civil war between communist and nationalist forces began in 1927 and continued until 1950s, with the communists ultimately prevailing and proclaiming the People's Republic of China under the leadership of Communist Party Chairman Mao Zedong in 1949. The early period of communist rule was marked by instability. However, starting in 1978, reforms began to open the country to the world, lifting millions of people out of poverty. With the largest military and the highest population in the world, along with its growing economic strength, China is steadily emerging as a leading power of the 21st century.